Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core line and Philips Ledinair Highbay. These highbays are ideal for many different application areas, such as general manufacturing areas, high-ceiling lounges, exhibition halls, and logistical centers. Regarding energy savings, core line families save up to 65% over conventional lighting, with an efficacy of up to 160 lumen per watt. And Ledinair 60% with up to 120 lumen per watt. Core line value are available in 3 sizes that deliver 3 lumen packages up to 25,500 lumen. Ledinair comes in 2 sizes with lumen outputs up to 20,500 lumen. They are all IP65. For a higher impact protection, choose core line. Ledinair and core line value are non-dimmable, but core line has different dimming options. DALI and smart lighting control. This means they can be wirelessly connected to our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. Installation is easy for the 3 families, as they present a compact design with a connection unit and a hook to suspend the Highbay. Core line installation will be faster, as it has a pre-mounted connector. In addition, we offer several mounting accessories as an option for a smoother installation. As a plus, core line has the e-neck one. If you want to learn more about Philips Highbay, check Highbay in the Signify LoomExpert app.